Welcome to another USDA Rural Housing Loan Update. It is September 8th, 2014. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage giving your update. USDA has announced that they are increasing the monthly mortgage insurance premium effective October 1st, 2014. The monthly premium is based on a factor of 0.4% currently. You take 0.4% times your outstanding loan balance, divide that by 12, that's how we get your monthly amount. Well, that 0.4% factor is increasing to 0.5% on all USDA loans that get their conditional or guaranteed commitment on or after October 1st, 2014. It does not matter if your loan is in line and been sent to USDA for them to review. It matters when they get you the commitment. So if it's on or after October 1st, you're going to have to get the 0.5%. Now, if you're not proactive about this, it could cause you to have a delay in your closing because your lender will have to redisclose the 0.5. It'll have to be re-underwritten and go back to USDA for them to re-underwrite it. So plan accordingly. For example, Delaware, Maryland, turn time's 30 business days. So there's no way you're going to make it if you haven't been sent to USDA already. So yeah, you should already be being disclosed at the 0.5. PA is 18 business days. If you get there right now, it's still going to be tough to make it. So be aware of that. Now, they also charge an upfront guarantee fee, which is currently at 2%. That is going to remain at 2% moving forward. That's October 1st, it's still 2%. The only thing they're changing is the yearly factor from 0.4 to 0.5, and that's used to calculate the monthly mortgage insurance that you pay on your USDA loan. If you have any questions or concern, or you would like to apply for a USDA loan in Delaware, Maryland, or Pennsylvania, give me a call, 302-703-0727, or check us out online, www.primaryresidentialmortgage.info. Look forward to seeing you guys at the next update.